than ling seta peace effort abang ini tu nge claim bom jelang seta non ma ke peace lo chedam je wang non po bang ini li tum pu un eder lo athema la tum ki pu ala tum inu da munit nang chetoy dun atumi la pa avoid do pikaning je jong si PHLC tum peace one dette la pen ka si chok ka ye theng ye pi thi do kok te PHLC tum peace polling center a committee pen cheng lok CC committee la pa central committee atum anta responsible nangi la tum man attack po munit tu kusi po responsible chot kali attack po kusi po apu ya nili tum man mane nang chok dang thengi wan TV yong si peace one dette peace one det ra la che chok che theng do kok te ba ba ni la ke BJP munit BJP munit Karbiang lo so jiri gendeng malong so nang litum thek long foto hadak do le itu peace ke wan je fancy PHLC to meeting do lo seta aprang pen la Karbiang Long Autonomous Council la pen Assam government DC sia convene pot Assam government penang kok la Assam government tum peace committee meeting dulu amal so meeting long pini pen para ke chedam chewang nang ni pu la pen economic blockade si resolution and wrong peace committee ke abinong son resolution ke guide en kertang lagi peace committee si ke try ke un eder lo itu aku try to sinang po bang si punangi ang no bang asap munit tum da jasemet karbi to mang kroy kre ye la aja kado we kali dei headman tum an ke namane rong asar tum an ye pulo cumang dala pen karbi tum ta peace ke do vek ni kang samwan vek ni seta la peace ke wanji kamatha tum arong asar tum phanta hedi penang ana munit tum dopu alama sapta kroi kri rong asar tum alam la rong asar tum masika control tu yi titi dang dipu karbia rong asar tum mata nang than la salam amen ni pudam de det pon lo te la tum han chok theng barata v2 det ta thek an ke alam mangala pulo itum APHLC ke nitum ke inglong so an ke chelang pet nai pulok sini tu nge kabor I pupe de election dai un elo sikidul ta pedun elo autonomous state ta hangun I la pulote tribal tu manje bhong thurong lote henomene tribal tung bong ka hindu ta du vek po thek lor lo lage ta la tum phan nep non ante people nep ni de khasi dum da people nep ni de la si khasi dum manan ni li pulo nang tum na chi nep non nang tum dorbar snong do nang tum judge court ta do nang tum council court ta do hadak chi bisar tha nang tum karbi tum mangela council court ta ve thang da ve ilitum mange six schedule ta implement pe me mediat pode tum bange FIR ke pipen dak judicial court along ka submit hello ke claim nangi copy por la claim ke je lalo ni pu bange la pen hala apu chor a bange la nelik dak tok te sita nili ke tok pen akaprek ta cuma dum hana pitulo la ke criminal case chathana leng sita la ke withdraw ni lage FIR ke withdraw ni ku sin nili pu lage alang le to man cuma do man pu dak la apu si ke theng ke chor akapol la te criminal case lage the enmity between the Karbis and Khasipnars created by third forces among these two tribes during the peace meeting in the market of Bukoilum in West Karbi Anglong district. The headmen from both Karbi and Khasipnar stated that all of them wanted peace and free coming and going among these tribes people. They further stated that among both these two tribes there were a few bad character persons. They also stated that there were persons who did not obey to observe social norms and did anti-social activities beyond the control of the headmen, and instead they always tried to overrule the instructions of the headmen of the villages. A large number of people from both Khasipnar and Karbi attended the peace meeting in spite of the economic blockade imposed by a section of Karbi people. Some Karbi speakers accused the Khasipnars of not accepting government development schemes like LP schools and ICDS schemes and not voting during elections in West Karbi Anglong. The speakers from Khasipnar stated that LP school was given with only one teacher and ICDS was given without necessary materials. They did not say why they did not vote in West Karbi Anglong. A person who did not want peace threatened the APHLC that if the APHLC brought peace by allowing both the Karbis and Khasipnars to come and go and mix among themselves freely and peacefully and thereby lift economic blockade against the Khasipnars, and if any criminal act occurred, then the APHLC from polling station committees to constituency committee of Angring CC committee and to the central APHLC will be targeted by attackers. This is a clear indication that if the APHLC or anybody restores peace among the Khasipnars and the Karbis, some agents provocateurs who are against unity of tribes people will cause murder and arsons. These agents provocateurs are aiming to capture the Angring Council constituency in council elections, which non-tribal and foreigners and Bongosenas are becoming majority. They want to keep the tribal people in poverty, confused and disunited. The peace committee of that place had, in a peace meeting some days ago, resolved and banned free movement and friendly mixing among the Karbis and Khasipnars by imposing economic blockade against the Khasipnars. In the opinion of the APHLC, this blockade will cause hatred of one tribe against the other, and eventually the enmity between Khasipnars and Karbis will remain forever, and the tribes people will face defeat in any election. This is against the aim and objective of the APHLC. However, for now, the APHLC cannot bring peace because the peace committee, which does not want peace, has been constituted by elected Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the government of Assam. But the APHLC will continue to work to bring peace and unity among the Karbis and Khasipnars and other tribes people. We believe that the tribes people will come to their senses. If during this blockade any criminal incident takes place, the BJP government will be held responsible. The APHLC requests the Khasipnars and Karbis to arrest the anti-social elements among their tribes and judge them in the courts under the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India and file FIRs against the criminals under Criminal Procedure Code in in case of West Karbi Anglong, Assam. Thank you.